Welcome to our journey focused on green and sustainable supply chain best practices. Today, we'll explore how to gradually make our supply chains more eco-friendly. Let's get started right now. Step 1. Cultivate the eco-mindset. Just like a sprouting seed, a green supply chain starts with a mindset shift. Sketch yourself embracing sustainability, and remember, every small change counts. Step 2. Sustainable sourcing. Select suppliers who prioritize eco-friendly practices. Consider factors like ethical sourcing, renewable resources, and minimal environmental impact. Step 3. The golden rule: reduce, reuse, recycle. Picture a recycling symbol and visualize products taking a circular journey. Reduce waste, reuse materials, and recycle whenever possible. Step 4. Optimize transportation. Draw vehicles running on clean energy, like electric trucks. Plan efficient routes and promote the use of rail and sea transport to reduce carbon emissions. Step 5. Eco-packaging solutions. Visualize packages made from sustainable materials like bioplastics or recycled paper. Opt for minimalist designs to reduce excess packaging. Step 6. Energy efficiency. Draw a factory with solar panels and wind turbines. Embrace renewable energy sources and implement energy-saving technologies to lower your carbon footprint. Step 7. Transparency and traceability. Sketch a magnifying glass over a supply chain map. Ensure that your supply chain is transparent, traceable, and accountable for its actions. Step 8. Continuous improvement. Draw a staircase leading upward. Keep climbing by regularly evaluating your sustainable efforts and seeking ways to do better. Step 9. Green partnerships. Visualize collaboration with eco-conscious partners. Together, you can amplify your impact and inspire others to join the sustainability journey. Step 10. Education and awareness. Sketch a light bulb illuminating minds. Educate your team, suppliers, and customers about the importance of sustainability. By following these steps and adopting a green mindset, we can make a positive impact on the environment and create a brighter, eco-friendly future. Thank you for joining us on this sketching journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Till next time.